Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on In the Kitchen, and today we'll be making peas and rice. So, the ingredients will be shown on the screen right now. So, these are the ingredients you need, plus water, and also you will need your rice, obviously, because we're making peas and rice. So, first we added the vegetable oil so that heated, and then you add your sliced onion so that you can saute it in the oil so it become golden brown. After that, you add your tomato paste also so that it can cook in the oil and become a reddish tint color. So this will be what colors your rice. After adding the tomato paste, this is where you add your pinto beans. You can use canned pinto beans or you can boil your own pinto beans and add it to your pot. It's optional, it's up to you. After you add your pinto bean, is here where we're adding the water to the pot so that you can boil your rice. And this is something that we eyeball, but maybe one of these days for the next video, a proper video, we will measure out the water ratio to rice. Like usually they would say 2 cups of water to 1 cup of rice, but we don't do that, we just eyeball. So yeah, so here we're adding some salt and that's to taste. You can check your pot when the ingredients have all boiled together. You can put a little bit of the water on your hand and just check if it's too salty or it's not salty enough. You should try to go for as least salt as possible before you start adding more salt. And then we are going to add some black pepper. That is also optional, but when we make our peas and rice, we use black pepper. So this is just a simple plain peas and rice, not peas and rice with pigtail or peas and rice with beef. None of that. It's just simple plain peas and rice. So initially your stovetop would be on the highest temperature because you'll be boiling this mixture on high at first before you add your rice. Now after you've washed your rice and add your rice to the pot, you put it on medium or so, and then you will put it to its lowest temperature just so that it can, what we call in the Caribbean, sweat, so that the rice can plump up. Yeah, so that will you'll be doing. That is how you will cook your rice, but you'll see in the video what is done. So here now what you see us doing is washing the rice. This allows us to wash off most of the starch in the rice so that when you cook your rice, it does not be like gummy or sticky. So now we're adding the rice, which we're using basmati rice. We're adding the rice to our boiling mixture. also to know, guys, when you add your rice, your temperature of your water will drop, so it will stop boiling initially, but it will start again. And this is when you let it boil on high for maybe 5 minutes, and then you turn your stove to medium and let it cook for a little while, but not too long, because you do not want to burn your rice. If you cook your rice at too high of a temperature and the water reduces quickly, evaporates quickly, it will burn. So yeah, what you do after having your stove on medium for like 15 minutes, you will turn it to low and continue to let it cook so that the rice can swell. So this is a close-up of the peas and rice. Your rice will be darker depending on how much tomato paste you use. Some people use a little bit of browning, but it just depends on how you're feeling. Okay, you guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please stay tuned for our steamed chicken video that we did, that is on this plate that you see here. So I hope you guys will like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, you guys, if you'd like to see more Caribbean dishes from us. So thank you. Bye bye.